Hello, my dear students. In the previous period, we have studied about the pure and impure matter. We came to know that pure matter is called substance and impure matter is called mixtures. We came to know about the various properties of pure matter and impure matter. As pure matter is made up of single type of particles, whereas impure matter is made up of different type of particles. These different type of particles or more than one type of substances that make the mixture are called the components of mixture. So now we shall start studying that mixture can be separated into their constituents by some process which does not cause any chemical change, but they cause a physical change. So such process are called physical processes. We can separate the component of mixture by some process, and these processes must be the physical processes. Now we should know what are those processes which we consider them as a physical process. Name various physical processes which can be utilized to separate mixtures into their constituents. Some of them you have already studied into your previous standards. I am just going to repeat them. Name those physical processes. Name of these physical processes are: number 1, winnowing, that you have studied. Hand picking. Winnowing, we separate the husk from the grains. Hand picking, we separate the stones from the grain. Sieving, we give the air and thus the husk is separated from the grains. Magnetic separation, we use a magnet to separate those iron and iron like substances which are attracted by the magnets. Then we have a process which is known as the evaporation, that is the process of converted liquid into the vapor by heating. Then we have a crystallization, in which we separate the impurities from the pure substance. We have centrifugation, which is moving in a circular way by using some devices. Then we use the separating funnel, so separation using separating funnel. We have sublimation, we have chromatography, we have distillation, and we have fractional distillation. We even use sometimes sedimentation to remove the solid particles from the liquid. So these are all the physical processes which do not change the composition of the substance, and then they separate the components of mixture. We should know about the changes. So there are two types of changes. One type